Good evening, friends. This is K. Subbareddy, Civics lecturer. Dear students, this year we have reduced the syllabus 30% by Board of Intermediate Education, Andhra Pradesh. Here, I would like to explain what is the deleted syllabus for first year Civics Paper 1 and Civics Paper 2. So let us listen and watch my video. So whenever you are watching this YouTube video, you have to like, share and subscribe my channel. Whatever I make videos, you have to receive whenever you subscribe. So thank you, friends. First of all, subject Civics 1, deleted syllabus in chapter 1, scope and significance of political science. In this lesson, the topic 1.4, significance of political science. No need to study, children, and also there is no questions came out from this lesson. Number 2, state. 2.4.2, state and association, relationship between state and association, difference between state and association. These two topics are deleted. Chapter 3, nationalism. 3.3, nationalism. 3.3.1, importance of nationalism. 3.3.2, different phases of nationalism, merits of nationalism, demerits of nationalism, national self-determination, demand for national self-determination. These topics are no need to study. 4th chapter, law and morality. Here 4.5 to 4.5.4, all topics are deleted. Difference between law and morality, relationship between law and morality, law and liberty. Law and liberty are antithetical, law and liberty are complementary. Then 5th chapter, liberty and equality. Aspects of liberty, characteristics of liberty, aspects of equality, essential features of equality, relationship between liberty and equality. Chapter 6, rights and responsibilities. In this chapter, 6.10, human rights, then origin of human rights, objectives of human rights, features of human rights, classification of human rights in India, Indian Constitution and human rights, National Human Rights Commission, relationship between rights and responsibilities. Chapter 7, justice. Here only 3 topics are deleted from this chapter. Major concepts of justice, evaluation of justice, achievement of social justice. Chapter 8, citizenship. In this chapter, 8.6, hindrances to good citizenship, ways for overcoming the hindrances to good citizenship. Chapter 9, democracy. Features of democracy, essential conditions to the success of democracy. Here students observe one thing, that is the page numbers also indicated here from 146 to 148, 155 to 158. In the same way, all lessons in that particular page, you cannot read that topics for examination point of view also. 10th one, secularism. Interpretation of secularism, conceptions of secularism, dimensions of secularism, importance of secular state. 11, constitution. In this chapter, written constitution merits and demerits, unwritten constitution merits and demerits, rigid constitution merits and demerits, flexible constitution merits and demerits. These 4 topics deleted from this chapter. 12th one, government. In this chapter, the organs of the government, legislature, functions of legislature, executive, functions of executive, judiciary, functions of judiciary. So, first year students, these topics in the civics subject, you cannot read for examination purpose. Questions also not coming from these chapters. Okay, thank you. Next, we will see second year civics paper 2. The following topics are deleted from this second year students also, that is 30% of the syllabus. Chapter 1, the Constitution of India. So in the Constitution of India, number 1, elements of the Constitution. The Indian Constitution is historical background. These 2 topics deleted. Next, 2, fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Characteristic features of fundamental rights, changing relationship between fundamental rights and directive principles, implementation of directive principles of state policy, relevance of fundamental duties, the Union Executive, the Union Council of Ministers, composition, qualifications, appointment, tenure, Union Cabinet, powers and functions of Union Cabinet, role of the Union Cabinet, collective responsibility. So, from third chapter, we have many topics are deleted from page number 53 to 60, 60, 61. In the same way, fourth chapter, we have Union Legislature, 4.11 Parliamentary Committees, Public Accounts Committee, Estimates Committee, Committee on Public Undertakings, Amendment Procedure of Indian Constitutions. These topics are deleted from page number 85 to 89. Union Judiciary, we have judicial activism, causes for judicial activism, judicial activism in India, merits and demerits, the Attorney General of India, qualifications, fair and allowances, removal, powers and functions. So these topics are deleted. From sixth chapter, that is State Executive, State Council of Ministers, composition, size of the Council of Ministers, qualifications, appointment, tenure, removal, salary and allowances, powers and functions of Council of Ministers. These topics are deleted. Next, seventh chapter, State Legislature. Here, legislative committees, types of committees, Estimate Committee, Public Accounts Committee. These four topics are deleted, 149 to 151. State Judiciary, District Level Judiciary, District Courts, appointment and qualification of district judges and other judges, Civil Courts, State Advocate General, appointment, tenure, powers and functions. These topics are deleted. Union-State relations, financial relations, trends in central Union-State relations. Then 10th chapter, local governments in India, advantages of local government, historical background, the role of district collector in local government. Next, 11th chapter, elections and representation, that is one topic here deleted, representation. Political parties, major political parties, one party dominance, major regional political parties in India, types of regional political parties, significance of regional political parties in Indian politics. These topics are deleted, friends. From 13th chapter, recent developments in Andhra Pradesh and India, National Human Rights Commission of India, definitions of human rights, distinctive features of NHRC, composition, appointment, functions of the Commission, State Human Rights Commission, composition and powers, human rights courts. These are the topics deleted from intermediate second year students. So, happy and enjoy your syllabus and read, secure good score both for first year and second year students. All the best, and also subscribe our channel, that is KSR Studies, and expect more videos. I hope all of you subscribe my channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.